Once again, welcome back in a math class. Good morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. In the next lecture, we have learned about the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. The value of sine 30 degree, cos 30 degree and tan 30 degree, cosec 30 degree and sec 30 degree and cot 30 degree and 45 degree and 60 degree. We summarize here. What is the value of sine 30, students? 1 by 2. Okay. What is the value of sine 45? 1 upon root. What is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. And cos 30? Root 3 by 2. And cos 45? 1 upon root 2. And cos 60? 1 upon 2. Tan 30? 1 upon root 3. And tan 45? 1. And tan 60? Square root 3. Cosec 30? Cosec 30? 2. And cosec 45? Square root 2. And cosec 60? 2 upon square root 3. Sec 30, the value of sec 30 we have calculated in a previous class. Tell me, sec 30 is the sec 30 2 upon square root 3. Sec 45 square root 2. Sec 60, what is the value of sec 60, students? Sec 60 is the 2. Cot 30, the value of cot 30 is the square root 3. The value of cot 45 is the 1. The value of cot 60 is the 1 upon square root 3. In a previous lecture, we have find the value of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot of angles 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree in a previous lecture. Here we observe that the value of sine theta, sine 30 is the 1 by 2 and sine 45 is the 1 upon square root 2 and sine 60 is the square root 3 by 2. Here observe that the value of this and this and this. The ratio of sine theta and cos theta is known as the tan theta. 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2, 2 will be cancelled, 1 upon root 3, 1 root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 is the root 3 and cosec is the reciprocal to the sine theta, that means the reciprocal of the 1 by 2 is the 2, reciprocal 1 upon square root 2 is the square root 2 and reciprocal of sine 60 is the cosec 60, 2 upon root 3. Okay, student. Similarly as sec and cot. Today we are going to find the value of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta of angle 0 degree and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, students. Today we are find the value of sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, sec 0, cot 0 and likewise of the angle theta. That means sine 90, cos 90, tan 90, cosec 90, sec 90 and cot 90. Okay students, suppose AB is the right angle triangle, right angle at B, ABC is the right angle triangle. Angle A gets smaller and smaller. That means the value of A gets vary to 0. That means angle A tend to 0. If angle A vary to 0, that means angle A gets smaller to smaller to smaller to smaller, it becomes 0. Then hypotenuse is the same as the base and perpendicular side is the 0. Here we suppose that angle is the A and angle A gets and smaller. Suppose that this and angle is the gets and smaller. Suppose that this. If angle gets smaller to smaller to smaller, that means angle A very close to 0, then the value of BC is very close to 0. Okay students, if angle A gets smaller to smaller to smaller, it becomes 0. In a right angle triangle, if angle A gets smaller and smaller, when it becomes 0, then BC becomes 0 and AC is equal to AB and AC equal to AB. That means students, if angle A is very close to 0, then BC is very close to 0 and AC equal to AB. That means AC is nearly equal to AB. Okay students, it is not possible in exact, but we suppose that if angle A becomes 0 degree, if angle A becomes 0 degree in a right angle triangle, then the perpendicular side is the 0 and base and hypotenuse are equal to each other. Okay students, using this concept we find the value of sine 0. That means angle A becomes 0. If angle A becomes 0, then for angle A, sine 0 is the perpendicular side, that means side opposite to 0 degree upon hypotenuse. Okay students, that means sine 0 degree is the what is the perpendicular side or side opposite to the 0 degree? BC upon AC. What is the value of BC? If angle A vary to 0, that means angle A is the very close to 0, then BC is the very close to 0, then we get the value of sine 0 degree is the 0 upon AC, that means sine 0 degree is the 0. Okay student, you understand? The value of 0 degree, sine 0 degree is the 0. Okay, we find the cos 0 degree, the value of cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is the base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse, that means side adjacent to 0 degree upon hypotenuse. Okay students, side adjacent to 0 degree, that means AB. AB upon AC cos 0 degree. This implies that cos 0 degree is the, if angle A is the very close to 0, then AC equal to AB nearly, that means AB upon AB. This implies that cos 0 degree, the value of cos 0 degree is the 1. Okay student, here we find the value of sine 0. Sine 0 is the 0 and cos 0 is the 1. Again we find the tan. The value of tan 0 is equal to sine 0 upon cos 0. Okay, you are satisfied? Tan is the ratio of sine and cos. Okay students, this implies that this gives the value tan 0 degree is the 0. Okay, further we find the value of cosec 0, sec 0 and cot 0. Okay students, cosec 0 degree is the reciprocal to the sine 0. Cosec 0 degree is the reciprocal to the sine 0 degree, that means 1 upon sine 0. What is the value of sine 0? The value of sine 0 is the 0, that means 1 upon 0. This point is a very interesting point in the mathematics. The value of 1 upon 0 is the undefined. The value of 1 upon 0 is the undefined. That means a ratio which denominator is the 0 is the undefined. That means cosec 0 degree is the undefined. Undefined. We cannot define the value of cosec 0 degree is the undefined. Okay student, and find the value of sec 0 degree is the 1 upon cos 0 degree. This implies that sec 0 degree is the, what is the value of cos 0? Student, the value of cos 0 is the 1 upon 1. This implies that the, okay students, again we find the last cot 0. First is the sine 0 is the 0, and second is the cos 0 is the 1, and third is the tan 0 is the 0, and fourth is the cosec 0 is the undefined, and last is the sec 0 is the 1, sorry, fifth is the sec 0 is the 1, and last is the, we find the value of cot 0 degree. Cot 0 degree is the 1 upon tan 0 degree. What is the value of tan 0? Cot 0 degree is the, what is the value of tan 0? Tan 0 is the 0. This quantity is the also undefined. 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 What is the value of cot 0? Cot 0 degree is the undefined. Okay, students? Here we find the trigonometric ratio of 0 degree. Sin 0 is the 0, cos 0 is the 1, tan 0 is the 0, cosec 0 is the undefined, sec 0 is the 1 and cot 0 is the undefined quantity. You are understand? Okay, let us move. Find the value of trigonometric ratio of 90 degree. Okay, students? Here we find the value of sin 0 is the 0, cos 0 is the 1, tan 0 is the 0 and cosec 0 is the undefined, cosec 0 is the undefined and sec 0 is the 1 and cot 0 is the undefined. That means we cannot define the value of cosec 0 and cot 0. Okay, student? These quantities are undefined quantity. Now we find the value of sin 90, cos 90, tan 90, cosec 90, sec 90 and cot 90. Okay, students? Suppose in a triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC, similarly with ABC, angle A vary to 90 degree. That means angle A gets to 90 degree. If angle A gets to 90 degree, that means increasing the side BC up to the AC, then angle A gets the 90 degree. That means if angle A gets to 90 degree, then BC is equal to AC and AB is a 0. That means we can say in a roughly, if angle A vary to 90, that means angle A gets the value 90 degree, then BC is equal to AC and AB become to 0. Okay, students? Using this concept, we find the value of sin 90, cos 90, tan 90 and cosec 90, sec 90 and cot 90. Okay, students? You are satisfied? If angle A gets to 90 degree, then AB is close to 0 and AC BC are nearly equal. Okay, students? AC and BC are nearly equal. Okay? Then sin 90 degree is equal to, what is the value of sin 90? For angle A, you suppose that if angle A is 90 degree, that means the value of angle A gets to 90 degree, then what is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is the side opposite to 90 degree and hypotenuse. Okay students, hypotenuse. What is the value of sin 90? The value of side opposite to 90 degree is the BC and hypotenuse is the AC. This implies that sin 90 degree is the, here BC and AC are nearly to equal. If A is the close to 90, if angle A is the close to 90, then BC and AC are nearly equal. Okay student, then value, if BC and AC are equal, then the value of sin 90 is the 1. AC and BC are nearly equal. Okay students, now further we find the value of cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to, cos 90 is equal to side adjacent to 90 degree upon hypotenuse. Cos 90 degree is the side adjacent to the 90, that means AB upon AC. If angle A very close to the 90 degree, then the value of AB becomes 0. That means cos 90 equal to 0. The value of cos 90 is the equal to 0. Okay students, understand? Now let us move. We find the value of tan 90 degree. What is the value of tan 90 degree? Tan 90 degree is the sin 90 degree upon cos 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is the sin 90 degree upon cos 90 degree. This implies that tan 90 degree is the, what is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is the 1, and what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is the 0. Again we find the value of 1 upon 0. This gives undefined value, undefined quantity. Okay students, that means tan 90 is equal to undefined. And cosec 90 degree is the, cosec 90 degree is the 1 upon sin 90, 1 upon sin 90. This implies that cosec 90 degree is the, what is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is the 1. This gives the value 1 upon 1. That means cosec 90 degree is the 1. Okay students, and we find the value of sec 90. Sec 90 is the 1 upon cos 90. Sec is the reciprocal to the cos. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is 0, 1 upon 0. Again we find the value of sec 90 is the undefined quantity. Undefined. Okay students, sec 90 is the undefined. And last is the cot 90. Cot 90 is the 1 upon tan 90. This implies that cot 90 is equal to, that means 1 upon 0, we understand in a roughly, that means this gives the value 0, cot 90 degree is the 0. The reciprocal of 0 is the undefined and undefined is the 0. That means 1 upon 0 is the undefined quantity, but 1 upon 0 is the 0. Okay students, here we find the value of, again this concept is the understand by using the formula cot 90 is the, what is the value of cot 90? Cot 90 is the cos 90 upon sin 90. Okay students, cot 90 is the cos 90 upon sin 90. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is the 0. The value of cos 90 is the 0 and the value of sin 90 is the 1. Here cot 90 degree, the value of cot 90 degree is the, student you are understand, the value of cot 90 is the 0. Okay, we find the value of sin 90, cos 90, tan 90, cot 90, cosec 90 and sec 90. We summarize in a table, you have remember it by easily. Okay students, here this is a very simple technique for remember the trigonometric ratio of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay students, if we will learn with a table, then the value of trigonometric ratio of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree are very easy to learn it. Okay students, we make a table for a trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, here we draw a line for angle A. Zero degree, in this table we draw the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay students, here the value of sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. Okay students, Okay students, we find the value of sin 0. Here 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. What is the value of sin 0? The value of sin 0 is the 0. What is the value of sin 30 degree? The value of sin 30 degree is the 1 upon 2. You can, we will find the these values in details. We proved by taking a right angle triangle and 3 situations. First is the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree, and second is the trigonometric ratio for 30 and 60 degree, and third is the trigonometric ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. But how are you remember this value? For this technique we write the 0, we make a table 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Here we write sin, cos, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Okay student, we write easily 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and we divide by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 in a simple way and take a square root, take a square root, take a square root, take a square root, take a square root. This gives the value 0 and this gives the value square root 1 is the 1 and square root 4 is the 2. Okay, this cancel square root 1 by 2. This is written as 1 upon square root 2. Okay students, and here square root 3 by 2 and here 1. The value of sin 0 is the 0, the value of sin 30 is the 1 by 2, the value of sin 45 is the 1 by root 2 and sin 60 is the root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is the 1. This is a very easy to remember the value of sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Okay students, we written as the reverse 1 and root 3 by 2 and by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. Okay students, the cos 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 is the very easy. We calculate the one for the sin A and also we find the very easily for cos A and tan, the ratio of 0 upon 1, 0, 2 cancel, 1 by square root 3 cancel 1 and ratio of this 2 will be cancelled, square root 3, 1 upon 0 is the undefined. Okay students, now again we write the cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sin A, that means undefined, 1 upon 0, undefined 2 and square root 2, 2 upon square root 3 and 1. Okay students, and next is the sec A. Sec is the cos reciprocal 1, 2 upon root 3 and root 3 upon 1, this, that is a root 2, 2 and 1 upon 0, that means undefined. Again last is the cot A. Cot is 1 upon 0, undefined. Square root 3 and 1 upon square root 3 and undefined is the 0. Okay students, you are understand this table for the sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A of different angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You will be learn the value of sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay students, in next lecture we will discuss about the question related to the sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 90 degree. Similarly way for the cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. Okay students, thank you.